Part A, Basic Setup. Attach the colorimeter to the LabQuest 2 device, then adjust the wavelength to 470 nanometers. Calibrate the colorimeter by using a plastic cuvette and distilled water. Hold the cuvette on the rough edge. Clean the smooth edge with a CHEM wipe. Place the cuvette in the colorimeter with the smooth edge pointing towards the arrow, then hold the calibrate button down until the absorbance reads 0. Part B, Sample Preparation. Using a Moore pipette, add the amounts listed in Table 1 of your lab manual of iron nitrate, potassium thiocyanate, and deionized water into 5 labeled test tubes. Part C, Collecting Data. Using the cuvette that was used to calibrate the colorimeter, add the contents of test tube 1. Then pour these contents into the waste container. This washes the cuvette of any residual deionized water. Refill the cuvette with the mixture from test tube 1 and place in the calorimeter. Once the absorbance reading has stabilized, record this value in your lab manual. Repeat this process for each of the remaining test tubes. Processing the data. Following steps 1 through 8 in your lab manual, calculate each of the initial concentrations of the ions in the reaction, along with the concentrations at equilibrium. Use all of these concentrations to determine the average equilibrium constant, or Kc. Next, finish processing the data collected and complete all calculations, answer all post-lab questions, and submit the following in order on Blackboard.